pull your tummy muscles in, and then push your bottom back and breathe out. Climb up and push back. And this time when you climb up, take one arm, your right arm forward. Now sweep it back so the hand goes to your bum and lift your elbow. So sweep forward and then sweep back and lift the elbow. And again, and lift the elbow and sweep forward. So good tricep work and good shoulder work. Now take the arm out to the side in line with your shoulder and then tuck the elbow up. That's it. Arm to the side and elbow up. Arm to the side and elbow up. You ready to do that on the other side? So take that hand to the floor, take the other arm forward. I'm going to turn side on and then bring the elbow up. Arm goes forward, elbow goes up. Pull the shoulder back, forward and back, forward and back. Now take the hand to the side, out to the side, elbow pulls up. Out to the side, elbow pulls up. Good, feel that shoulder work, using your tummy as well. So how do you feel about using a hand weight with that? Start with the same hand that you started with and just begin with the hand reaching forward and the elbow reaching up. Arm forward, elbow up. Arm forward, elbow up. That's good. Now take the same hand out to the side. Yes, well done. Elbow up. Out to the side. Elbow up. To the side. One more. So push your chest forward. Keep your spine long. And then bring the hand weight to the floor. Ready to do the other side. The arm. Hand weight in the other hand. Arm comes forward. Elbow tucks in. Arm forward. Elbow tucks in. So really grip with your tummy muscles as you do this. And then arm to the side. Out to the side. Elbow up. Good technique. Elbow to the hand to the side. Great. Couple more. Keeping the body really still. Use your stability. So give yourself a breather. Put that hand weight down. You ready for your latest challenge? Let's do it with a balance. Strength and balance. Opposite leg. Tap the foot on the floor or keep the leg in the air. Your choice. You're looking for stillness. You're looking for steady. You're looking for strong. Good. Now take that arm, if you're ready, to the side. Elbow up. So you've got back of shoulder, strong arm, triceps and glutes. Perfect. Let's do it on the other side. So tap the opposite leg back or hold it in the air. Keep yourself steady and strong. Take the arm forward, elbow pluck, squeezes in, forward and in. Arm to the side, so the leg stays still. Yeah, the leg stays still as you do this. And you find your rhythm, your pace. You look so good. One more. That's fantastic. Okay, let's do one last round. So sit back and recover. Roll the shoulders, stretch the back. And come in when you're ready. Again, I might be too fast for you, or I might be too slow. Use your own breath, use your own pace. Elbow tucks in. Use your breath. Help it to guide you. Arm to the side. 5 of those. Brace your tummy. I love it. Keep your body still. So much going on. Body's working as an orchestra. One more. Other side. tap or lift the leg. Be still, be strong, use your tummy. Use your glute. Take your arm forward, elbow high. That's it. And then to the side, out to the side, elbow high. So push through that lower hand. Push it into the floor so that you lift up through the shoulder. Good work, everyone. Fantastic. So take a recovery. Rotate the wrists. Roll your shoulders. And if it works for you, come onto your knees. Pull your tummy muscles in. Bring the hands above you so the thumb and first finger touch. And then slowly take those hands behind you. Thumb and first finger touch. Can you keep your body still as you do this? Can you use your tummy muscle as you do this? Can you use your glutes as you do this? Well done. You try it with hand weights. So the hand weights come together, they touch. And then as you pull back, palms push away,